Welcome. In this video, we want to learn how to create a celebrity fan hacker software. What this software does is that it helps you get contacts of followers, those who have comments of a particular celebrity and all that. So we are going to use AI to develop this software. Now, if you have been struggling to do business or to get contact of celebrity and all that, I noticed that some people will just go to a celebrity page. Like for instance, now this is a celebrity, this is a pastor, Pastor Jerry Eze. Some people will just go to the comment section and they'll start spamming this comment section, maybe like posting what they do about their business and things like that. This is the fastest way where Facebook will just delete your account. Or some will just go to Instagram and look for a celebrity like this and then probably make a comment on his post and like that. Now, if you do that, it is called spamming. Now, Instagram is going to flag and delete your account very fast. That is why you see a lot of people will say, Mark Zuckerberg take my account and things like that. They block my account and all that. So the best way to go about getting the fans, getting contacts, getting clients from any of these celebrity websites or celebrity social media fan pages or handles like that on Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. The best way is to use AI. Now you can use AI to create a software like this. Look at this software. What this software does is that it strictly extracts the contact, like phone numbers, email address of any celebrities in the world. Now those contacts and email address, you can either send them SMS message or you can send bulk email to them and all that. And finally, you can actually use the data that you get from this software now to advertise. What it means is that all the users, like for instance, now I can extract all the users, their contacts, people who have posted anything about Pastor Jerry Eze or about this celebrity, Dwayne Johnson, or any celebrity that you want to get their fans and all that. So all the people who have commented, maybe somebody have commented online that, oh, I love Dwayne Johnson, I have whatever with Dwayne Johnson and all that in his comments, all his followers and all that. So what this software does is that it will help you to now extract those details. So those details now you can now put it in your advertising platform on TikTok, on Facebook, and all that to do advert. So now let me show you how this software works. So for instance, now this is how it is now. All I'll do here now is just to look for a particular celebrity. Let me say, okay, let me do an America and one Nigeria. Let's say, let's say Taylor Swift. Let's say you are doing an affiliate business or you are doing any kind of business and you want to target the fans of Taylor Swift. All I'll do here is I can just put a keyword, the optional. I'll just put the country here, which is, let me use USA. His fans, let me say his fans in Los Angeles or so in America. So what it does is that I'm telling the software to look for this celebrity called Taylor Swift. He's a popular musician in America. All his fans who is in America who reside in this particular city called Los Angeles. Then I'm going to use the platform. Now, which of the platform I want to get his fan from? With this software, you can get his fans from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, depending on where she is. So let me just do Instagram. So here now, it will now ask you what's the lead source. So I can say, okay, people who have liked our post, people who have mentioned this particular celebrity, people who have posted about this celebrity, people who is following, people who have searched. So if anybody have gone online to search about this celebrity, it's going to give me their contact address, their phone number, and all that. So I can now send message to them to do business, tell them about my business, what I do, and all that, and make them my clients. Okay. So let me just do those who have commented on a post. You understand? Or I can say those who have posted. This one is like very, very credible. People have talked about Taylor Swift on his Instagram account and all that, who is based in Los Angeles and they're on Instagram. What I'll do here now is I'll just click here on start extraction now. Now it's going to, depending on the speed of your internet and how you set it. So if you look at it now, the first thing it does is that it first of all give me the celebrity page on Facebook. So, for instance, I can just click here now on view a page. It's going to bring a page for me, like so you can see now. So it has taken me to a page now on Instagram. So this is a celebrity page. This is Taylor Swift. So now what the software is doing is all the old people who have mentioned, who have write a comment, who have made a post, maybe they love Taylor Swift or whatever, whatever. So it's going to give me their contact details, either their phone number, their email address, and all that. Okay. So now let me go now. So this is the results now. So if you look at it now, have you seen it? All these are contacts. People have made posts on our page and like that, like that. So these are their details, their phone number, their email address. So in order for me to extract it, all I'll do here now is just to click here now on view contact. So you can see now these are their contact details and all that. All I'll do here now is just to download it as CSV, or I'll just download it as text, or I'll just click here and copy. Okay. So once I click here and copy the email address here, if I click here and copy the email address, what I'll do next is just to open my notepad here. Let me say my notepad here and paste the email address that I've copied there. Okay, so these are the email address I've extract. So what I'll do, I'll just save it as Taylor Swift email contact in Los Angeles, America. You get it? So those email address, the next thing I'll do now is just to put it on my bulk email sender and start sending it. Then another thing you can do, just like as I said, I can use those contacts. Are you getting it? I can use this contact now, upload this contact now on Facebook, on Instagram, and like that, so that I can use it to tell Meta that, oh, all these people are the followers of Taylor Swift. Please show my adverts to them in Los Angeles. So if you are looking for a client in Los Angeles, this is how you do your advert that it converts the most, the best. Okay. So that's that about the software. So let me just do one more, one Nigerian celebrity. Let me say Pastor Jerry Eze, or let me do somebody that is general. Let's say Davido, and let me say Nigeria. Let's say I wanted to target Davido fans who is based in Lagos. So I can click here now and say Lagos. And I can say Davido fans on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, or thereabouts. Let me just do Facebook. Okay, I think the last one was Facebook. Is Davido on TikTok? Oh, okay, let me try it and say who have posted about this Davido on TikTok. So I'll just click here on extraction now. So it's going to start extracting the email and all that. So you can see now the first thing it does is that it's now confirmed the real Davido page, you understand, that has a blue check mark. Let me click here to confirm if it's the real Davido page. It's very important that you check it so that you know that you are now getting all your leads from Davido's main page. So you can see now this is Davido's main page on TikTok. So don't go to his page and start spamming. It's better to extract those who have followed him, their emails, their contact, and like that, like that. Have you seen it now? So this is the Davido's page. So let me go back to the software now. So it has finished extracting it now. Here. Now, these are the details. All those who have commented, followed Davido, all these are leads. All I need to do now is just to download all these leads, start sending them one after the other. Now, if you can see now, these are my recent search. So I have extracted leads from Davido, Taylor Swift, even Gege. You can also use this to also get the contact and fans of your whoever, maybe your competitor or somebody you want to do business with and all that. So you can see now this is the audience search that I've done. You can see this is the intelligence. It's going to show you these are some of the extractions I've just done not too long from Instagram, from TikTok, and the rest. So yeah, it's going to show you the history. So you can see now leads that I've extracted from Davido, from Taylor Swift, from Gege, from Pastor Jerry Eze, plus Dwayne Johnson. So you can come back later and rerun this search again. So yeah, this is the settings now. So now do we create this software? Like as I said, you don't need to know programming, you don't need to know web design, you don't need to know anything. All you need to do is just to get what we call a master prompt. Once you get this master prompt, you join our community. That is our tourist school software community. Now, we are using strictly AI, so you are not using everything you are doing is copy and paste. Like for instance, now this that I wanted to build, now this is the master prompt. All I'll do here now is just to copy this master prompt. I will go to any AI website or software builder. We have this one, it is called Lovable.dev. You get it? So we also have another one, it is called Google AI Studio. Just Google it, and it's free. The Lovable, you'll be required to make some payment and all that. So I recommend you use the Google Studio. Is using Gemini and it is free. So the master prompt that I've copied, all I'll do here now is just to paste it. Once I paste it here now, I'll just click here on build. You understand? So depending on the speed of your internet and all that. So depending on the speed of your internet, so the software now it has finished building it now. So you can see now the AI builder now. So all I need to do now is just to test it here now. I'll just click here. Look at these dots here. It's going to show full screen. So if you can see now, it's related to the sample that I did, but I only just changed the software name. I make some little changes and all that. So what I'll do here now is I'll just use the same, so you can see the way it is here now. So I can say maybe Taylor Swift here. I can just search here now just to test it and say Taylor Swift here and say USA and let me say on our Facebook. Okay. So what I'll do here now is I'll just click here on run extractions so you can see now. So it's same process now. So it's going to generate it and all that. So this is a simple process on how you build it. So now, how do you now get this software now? All you need to do, how do you now get the master prompt to build the software? All you need to do is to join our community. So once you join the community now, we are going to give you access to this master prompt. And we're also going to give you several master prompts that you can use to create bulk email, sender sites. You can use it to do. So now look at it now. These are the emails now that it has generated now. So if you look at it now, these are the details here that we've just created and all that. So I can just click here now and copy all these email address, or I can just export it like that, and put them on my notepad. You get it? So that's all. So those are the ones that I've extracted. So I can just put it on my notepad and all that. So now, how do we now create this software? So now, how do we now create this software that we can use to extract contact and details from celebrity pages all over the world? All you need to do now is to get our master prompt. You can join our online community by visiting this link, touristschool.com/SaaS, SAAS. So I'll type the link here and I'll also type it in our comment section. So all you need to do is to visit the link. It will tell you how to join our community to get access to this master prompt. Thanks for watching this video.